In a cul-de-sac, walking distance to Pathways Elementary School and just around the corner from Eno River Academy. Built in 2018 and so well maintained it looks and feels like it's brand new. And I can't wait for you to see the huge windows in this home and this amazing front porch. Folks, let's check out 1550 Village Grove in Hillsborough. Kitchens, hardwoods, and baths sell homes, folks. How about these hardwoods? They're just gorgeous. And this kitchen, I just love this amazing granite countertop, stainless steel appliances, electric cooktop. And how about these views, folks? Out the back, these two-story windows are just amazing. That fan up there is really, really cool. And we've got an amazing sunroom to further enjoy your views. 4 bedrooms plus a bonus with a primary on the main, 3.5 baths. I love this green space behind the home, and it has a fenced backyard. Listen folks, whether you're looking to purchase a home in the next 9 days or 9 months, my team's ready to help you. But let us know when you'd like to see 1550 Village Grove in Hillsborough.